Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This video here is going to be doing a look with this face using this Smashbox palette that I just received and sent out. Are you guys excited? If you're excited, we're going to zoom you in so that you can see this look right here. So I'm starting out by applying the burgundy in this shade to my lid. I ended up redoing this look like a couple of days later, and so I'm going to show you the commentary from my Snapchat about how I felt about this eye. So I retried that look that I posted on Instagram, and I like it more this time because I put a little bit more of transition colors in there, but then I added a little bit more of the brown in the crease and a little bit of transition between the gold that's on my lid and the brown. I added those extra colors because the way that the burgundy blended into the gold, and there actually wasn't any blending. So as you can see in the first, like in this video, when I first did it, I didn't have as many transition colors. I just had that burgundy as the transition shade. So I went in the second time and added a couple of more transition colors. If you guys want to know how I did that, let me know in the comment section and I'll be sure to kind of update you on how I did that. But I added a little bit of a shimmery color to the center of my lid, and then I went in using an e.l.f. liquid liner on my eye. I absolutely have been loving the e.l.f. liners. Like, they're the best liners. They move so easily. I'm able to work with them really easily. I just love them. e.l.f. is good in a lot of different ways, but their liners are like absolutely amazing and so affordable. I went on my waterline with this burgundy color. I just like that pop of color underneath there. Sometimes you notice it, sometimes you don't. It's just, I notice little things like that. I went in with my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I've already added glue to my lashes, and while I'm putting on my mascara, I'm waiting for the glue to get tacky. So by the time I finish my mascara, the glue is tacky, ready for me to put my lashes on. I applied them without using tweezers like I usually do. I've been getting into the habit of applying my lashes with just my fingers. It works a lot better for me. I have more control over the lashes. Yeah, and I really like doing them this way. It's really easy. I've got almond eyes, so really the only problem that I have with them is the end, making sure that the end is curved and is on there properly. After I've gotten my lashes on, I go into my waterline with the maroon burgundy. Is that maroon or is that burgundy? I'm not sure, but with that color right there that I'm using. And I really like that color, like on the bottom and the tops in the waterline. Like, it's just something about color in there that just, it always captures my eye when I see it on somebody else. So I love doing that with myself, just kind of playing around with colors. I ended up using and have been loving the Wet n Wild Hello Halo highlighters. I'm going to be doing a video on them very soon. It will probably be up next week because this week's videos are already done, guys. But I cannot wait for you guys to see it because I have been using these highlighters and loving them. I apply them with the applicator, and then I clean them up with my finger. Here I got a video call from my kids, and because they were gone for like 2 weeks, but I was so excited that I got to talk to him for just a little bit.
Oh, there's so many things behind you. It looks like a window and it looks like it's outside.
Oh yeah, it's the lighting and the silvery part back there.
I like your makeup, Mom.
Aw, you're the best, little bean. Is the one that likes the ladies. I think we're gonna have problems with him later on. But so after I've used the liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, I go in and just top it off with another powder highlighter just to give it a little bit of a pop. I'm going in right now and I'm cleaning up the highlighter edges because I don't want them to look crazy. Guys, I have gone through my foundation routine so many times. I did leave it in here but just because I wanted you guys to kind of see how it went, because I changed a couple of things when I did my foundation routine this time around, but I sped it up because just because. I used Urban Decay's All Nighter foundation. It is a full coverage foundation, so my face is completely covered. You see no imperfections in my face. I did not use my usual Fenty contour stick to contour my face. I used a darker foundation. what foundation was it? I'll probably put it in the description box, but I just use this darker foundation. Then using my Black Radiance palette, which again, everything is going to be listed in the description box. I went over the areas that I contoured and just kind of like set that contour, quote unquote, because it's actually foundation. You know what I'm saying? But I know that upon first seeing this foundation on the face, it's easy to be like, oh my gosh, that's not your shade. It is. When it oxidizes, it goes to my perfect shade for my neck, and it just looks great. I did use the Fenty contour stick to contour my nose, and as usual, I really only contour the bottom of my nose. This time around, I added a little bit of highlighter right up at the top of the bridge of my nose, so I'm putting it right now on that little tiny part of my nose. But then I added that highlighter, see, right there. Rather than contouring, I just accentuated the area with the highlighter. Going in with my lips, I am lining them first and then using Maybelline to fill them in. I love, love, love the Maybelline. What are these? What are these things? I'll tell you right now because they're right next to me. Maybelline Super Stay Matte Inks. Oh, I love these things, and they last all day. So if you could go get them or you find them on sale, get them because they are worth all of the $9 that they are. You know, it's funny because as soon as I was like done with my face, I was like, oh wait, I didn't put any like I didn't highlight under my eye area, and I didn't really feel like I needed it, but I'm so used to doing it that I was like, okay, let me just do a little bit of it, just to brighten it up just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. So that's what I did here. And then I also set my my under the eye with Queen Cosmetics. I've been using this stuff and using it out. It is so good. There's no flashback. It's amazing. I'm gonna have it up on my website. If you haven't seen my website, go to it now. Shameless plug. I don't even care. I'm setting the rest of my face with Queen Cosmetics luxury powder. My gosh, my nose is glistening, and I'm taking this full face coverage foundation brush, dusting off excess, and I'm about to give y'all some face hunting. I'm serving it up. Boom. Yes. I was feeling myself, but I really just went to bed. All right, guys, that is the look right there in its entirety. Isn't it crazy that I didn't even put highlighter on, but I kind of really like this look. Did a couple of things a little different. That's all right. Hope you guys followed along, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button, that thumbs up button, because that thumbs up button tells me that you want to see more videos like this, because you like videos like this, so I should make more videos like this. But if you did not like that video, make sure if you click that thumbs down button that you leave me a comment below telling me what it was about this video that you did not like, and how I can make it better for you, for when you come back. Why did I just do that gun? I don't, so that when you come back, you will be happy, because I want to make you happy. I want to make me happy, but I want to make you happy too, because I know you're going to come back. So when you come back, there's a little subscribe button. Click on that floaty head right there, and then click on that box right there, because that's going to take you to another video of mine that you can watch until I upload more videos for you. I do it weekly. We are here weekly, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. Have you guys subscribed yet? Subscribe. It's the right thing to do.